Here are 7 last-minute Paracord gifts and stocking stuffers you can make right now. Because if you're anything like me, you might have left your Christmas shopping to the last minute and still haven't found the right gift for your friends or loved ones. So why not just make something? No sizing necessary for these, so without further procrastination, here they are, and we're going fast for this clip show. Number 1, the Lucky Paraflat Man. This charming little guy can be used as a keychain or zipper pull. This one is super easy to make using the diamond knot and cobra knot. If you know both of these knots, you can easily make this one. If you want a larger version that's more like a little doll or toy, you can make the full-sized Paracord Fat Man. These are always meant to be given and never sold, and they're meant to bring the carrier good luck. Number 2, a Paracord Beggar. These fun skill toys are no stranger to this channel, and they're simple to make and super fun to play with. Now, I've made several versions of the Beggar on this channel. I personally think the Monkey's Fist Beggar is the best version, but if you want something even easier and faster to make, you can go with the Hex Nut version. They're easy to start playing with, but can take a lot of time to master, which means hours of fun. You will need marbles or hex nuts, but those are usually easily available at your local dollar store or hardware store. Number 3, the Paracord Buddy. Who doesn't love always having a buddy with them at all times? Well, you can give the gift of a buddy with this Paracord Buddy that works great as a zipper pull or keychain. A bit similar to the Paraflat Man, this one utilizes the snake knot and the diamond knot. Super simple, and this little Paracord Buddy is bound to put a smile on the face of whoever receives one. Number 4, Paracord Knuckle Rollers. So if Beggar aren't an option for you and you want a more low-key skill toy, the Knuckle Roller would definitely be the next best choice. I've got a few different versions on this channel. A couple of them use hex nuts or marbles, but there is a version that is purely made of paracord and doesn't require anything else. These are great for dexterity and fidgeting around, much like the Beggar, but I would say they are much easier to learn. Number 5, the Rapture Paracord Keychain. Now, I personally think this is the most attractive keychain I've done on this channel, and it looks fantastic. You can make this one in a dual tone, and if you're familiar with the Cobra Knot or Solomon Knot, you'll have no issue making this keychain. You will require a keyring for this one, however, but you probably have a few of those kicking around in the old junk drawer somewhere. And if not, there's always Amazon Prime next day delivery. Number 6, for the Star Wars fan in your life, there is the Paracord Grou. We've got 2 versions of the Grou. The larger version does require a marble for the Monkey's Fist portion, but if you don't have any or you've lost your marbles, the smaller version uses paracord only. Great for keychains and even as something you could just hang on a backpack for decoration. So whether your Star Wars fan is young or old, I think the Paracord Grou is a great stocking stuffer. And number 7, the Paracord Keychain Stash Container. This is a really useful gift as you can very easily keep this on your keys and have an emergency stash for some rolled up cash, waterproof matches, or maybe even some fishing supplies if you roll them up tightly enough in some tinfoil or something. There are multiple uses for this stash container, and I'm a big fan of practical gifts. So there we have 7 last-minute paracord gifts. You should be able to make most of these with what you have around your house, and of course some paracord. All links for these videos mentioned will be in the description and pinned comment. So if you needed some last-minute gift ideas to make, here they are. Hope you all have a Merry Christmas if you're celebrating, or just have a happy holidays in general.